I don't speak perfect Spanish, but I can ask where the bathroom is. Thanks, ChatGPT. Repeat conmigo. Let's go. Let's go. Me llamo Nick, I'm learning fast. Type on prompt, now I'm in the class. Quiero un café, that's my style. Ordering food with a confident smile. No stress, no fear, just a chill reply. ChatGPT helps me on the fly. From greetings to real conversation. Spanish is fire, no translation station. Prompted, say it, repito conmigo. AI's got me, it's my amigo. Say it wrong, all good, let's try. Spanish flow, give it another try. Prompted, say it step by step. Every word I learn and prep. Ask a question, get the key. Spanish is easier than it used to be. How to talk like I'm at a cafe. ChatGPT, show me what to say. Una tostada, por favor, yes. Now I place my order with finesse. Mistakes plenty, but I still grow. I just prompt again and take it slow. Learning new words is kind of fun, and now my brain speaks more than one. Prompted, say it, repito conmigo. Try again, you're not alone, bro. From que tal to gracias to, I learn a little cada día. It's true, you're doing great. Say again, slowly. Hasta pronto, amigo.